still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Hey guys, I'm Emma. Welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're brand new, then welcome. Today I'm going to be going through our Jim Shore collection. I thought for sure we did this years ago, but we actually did a Jim Shore tag, so I don't think we even showed you all of the Jim Shores we had back then, and it's now 2023, so we've accumulated a few more, and I just wanted to show you the ones that we've got. We've been gifted some of them as presents, so I know Bob and Kelly has bought us a few. My dad, John's sister has bought us some as well, lots of other people, so to be honest, most of these are probably gifts. We absolutely love Jim Shore, and we are trying to slowly collect them. So yeah, I thought I would just show you all of our collection. It's not super massive, but we're growing it. And we're in a weird area today because you are actually sat on our Jim Shore shelving, which I'll show you at the end when I've put it all back together. But I guess let's just get into it. We've kept the tags on some of them. There's not really any like rhyme or reason either to like the ones we've got. We've got lots of Mickey and Minnie and lots of Stitch. But yeah, no real theme. So I guess we'll just start. So we have this one. This is Mickey and Pluto and a birthday cake. I think I got this for my birthday one year. So this one is called Happy Birthday, Pal. I can show you the bottom there as well. Can you see that? Yeah, Happy Birthday, Pal. And then the bottom of this has got like blue and white and green all around it. I just love the Mickey's pants on this one actually, like his trousers. Can you see the pattern on them, or is it too dark? He's super cute. Love that one. This one's one of my favourites because it's Goofy. And I used to have this Goofy ornament, and I've had a few versions of it, and like 3 versions of it, and it got broken every single time. But this one we've managed to keep safe. It's because his ears are really delicate. But it is Goofy on a little go-kart. How cool is that? Like he's just riding around on his little go-kart there. And his ears kind of fly back in the wind. And he's got like the reins there. It's a little... And again, he's got the pattern on his trousers. I just think it's so goofy. And this one is called Life in the Slow Lane, which obviously he is not. But yeah, I love this one. I do love the birthday one. I'm going to say I love this one for every single one. So yeah, there's that one. Then we have Simba. We've kept the tags on some of these. I know the lighting isn't great here. So that is Simba with his little lion mane, just there. And this one is called Just Can't Wait to Be King. I really like them this size. I think the ones that are this size are super cute. Obviously, I like the big ones too. How cool is this? So you've got Mickey on the top there. And then Donald holding up Mickey with his lovely grumpy face. That's what we love from Donald, is a grumpy face. And then Goofy down at the bottom. He's pretty strong because he's holding them with one hand. So that's pretty cool. And I like the size of this one because like the base is about the same size as the Simba one, but it's so much bigger. And this one is called Teetering Tower. I'm trying to be so careful putting them down, I'm so scared. Okay, this one, I think we've told you the story of this one before. This is Stitch. This is probably one of the first ones we bought. And we saw one in the Contemporary Resort in Disney World in 2018, and we didn't buy it because we weren't sure if it would fit in the case. And then when we got home we saw this one. We thought it was the same one, but the one that we thought it was one with him reading a book with some ducks, and this one is him with a frog. So he's got a little frog there, can you see? I just love the detailing on his body, like he's got all of the little like shapes, like in true Jim Shore style. He just looks so cheeky. This is Lilo and Stitch. This is one of the only like face characters we have so far, but I would love to get some of the princesses. Oh, that last one was called Strange Life Forms. This is Strange Life Forms. And it's just Lilo giving Stitch a little hug there, and I like the flowers on the base of this one. And it says Ohana, just there. And this one is called Ohana Means Family. But I love the detail, and like they're just so cute. This one's super cute. He's quite big, and it's a Valentine's Day Stitch. He's got a little love heart shirt on there. He's carrying a little rose. He's super cute. He's got his little spikes put away. This one is called Clueless Casanova. This one is super cute. Isn't it sweet? We've got some Christmas ones. I think most of the Christmas ones, if not all of them, I think all of our Christmas ones were gifts. So I'll just show you those. So there's another Stitch one. This is Stitch wrapping his little present to Lilo. I don't know why we keep these tags on. We don't keep the boxes, but we do keep the tags on. Yeah, so he's wrapping his little present to Lilo. He's making a right mess of it. He's got his little Christmas hat on there. He's so sweet. And a bow. Look, he's got a bow. This one is called Bad Rap, which I think is perfect for Stitch. Looks like a nice present though, and he's done a good job there with the tape. So we love that one. We love all of them. Have I said that for every one? I reckon I have. We also have a Nutcracker, and we saw this one in Costco, but giant, if you've seen the Costco vlogs. But he actually nutcracks. We don't use them to nutcrack. And the Christmas ones, I can't remember if I just said, but the Christmas ones, they stay on our shelf all year round. We just put them at the back, and then when it's like the winter season, we pull them forward so that everyone can see them and enjoy them. But on his belt there, he's got a little Mickey Mouse, and he's in red and green, and he looks super cute. Nutcrackers are normally a bit scary, but this one isn't. And this one is called Reigning Royal. I don't know if you can see, I don't know if it's too dark. Reigning Royal, and it's got like holly all around the bottom, which is really sweet. I love that one. And then I think this is our last Christmas one. This one's from Bob and Kelly. If you don't know who Bob and Kelly are, they're our besties from across the pond. And how sweet is that? It's Chip and Dale, with Dale obviously lighting his head on fire, and he is the candle that Chip is putting out. They just look like they're being naughty, and that's exactly what Chip and Dale should look like. Again, this one's got holly all around the bottom. It's called Snuff Sad, like snuffing out a candle. Yeah, so I love that. I love his little belly. Like he's got a pattern on his belly. Chip doesn't have a pattern on his belly. Yeah, and they're cute little bums. Look at the bums. It's so cute. I just love it. I love that one. Okay, we're moving up a shelf, and I'm not sure how to show you. So we've got this teeny tiny one. This is one of John's favourites. It's Jiminy Cricket, obviously. He's super tiny. He's got his little umbrella there. I think this one was really cheap as well, and this one doesn't have a name on it. That's weird. But we love that one. I know I've said it every single time now. We got a set from John's sister, so I got one for my birthday or Christmas, and then John got one for his birthday or Christmas. So I got Minnie Mouse as a little sailor, and when she gave it to us, she was like, it'll make sense. So this one is called Sassy Sailor, and that suits her perfectly. You can just see her like from the back there, her little pants as well. She's so cute. And then to go with Minnie, we got the Mickey one. So he's super cute with his little sailor hat and his buttons, and his trousers are really cute. And he is called Snazzy Sailor. So look how cute they are together. Just super sweet. We have Cogsworth. Beauty and the Beast is one of my favourite films. So I love Cogsworth. I love his little nose. I like that this one is so simple as well. He's small, which I like. I really like this size. Like, I like the big ones, but I just think these ones are so cute. And he doesn't have a name either, so maybe the small ones like that don't have names. This is one that my mum and dad bought me one year for Christmas. It is Minnie and... oh, it might have been my birthday. I think it was one of my birthdays. It's Minnie and Mickey, and Minnie's just sat up on a bench, and he's just looking at her all lovely, and he's giving her a little flower. And she's super like, ah! And I love their tails. Like, you can see Minnie's tail just there, and Mickey's tail just there. They're super delicate. I love the flower detail on this one. I like the ones with flowers. Like, the girly ones have flowers. This one is called Blossoming Romance, in case you're interested. But yeah, I just think the detail in this one is super cute. Like the lines on the fence, I don't know if you can see, but they're so cute. I really love this one. And it's special because my mum bought it. I have this really flirty mini one. It's called Call Me, and she's doing like she's doing like an old school telephone. So yeah, she's doing Call Me. She's up on like one sassy foot, like that. She's doing her sassy foot. She's holding out a little skirt. She's so cute. Maybe she's waiting for Mickey to call her. Yeah, but and this one's got flowers around the bottom too. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, I really love that one. This one I had a little bit of a mishap with, and we've broken it. So we do need to get it replaced. Or I don't think we can fix it. We need to get it replaced. But it's Mrs. Potts and Chip. And I dropped it, and Chip didn't fall off, but he's very nearly fallen off, and a few of Chip's bits have chipped. But this one is called A Mother's Love. So I think I'm going to replace this one. So we've kept it, and it's still got the bits in, but I don't think it's very fixable. So I think I'm going to try and replace this one for exactly the same, and then put it somewhere really delicate. I think this one is from John's mum and dad. And it's Scrooge McDuck, which is really cool because I never would have bought myself a Scrooge McDuck one. But he's in his money and he's diving into piles and piles of money. Yeah, this one's really different. This one's a lot lighter than all of the others, but it's still really, really detailed. Like, you can see almost all of the coins. This one is called Treasure Dive. Yeah, it's super cool. He's got like his red jacket on, and again, like, I never would have bought this one for myself, so I think it's really cool that when you're gifting somebody something, you're buying something that you think is cool, but part of their collection, so that, you know, we won't have the same one. But the shape of this one is really, it's almost like an iron shape. I don't want to hold it by it, but it almost looks like you could do your ironing with it. And then the very last one, I've kept it till last because it's pretty cool. And it's a wedding-y one, so you've got Minnie there as a bride, which, interestingly enough, Mickey and Minnie are not married, but she is a bride there, and you can see all the detail on her dress, all of the blue, and on a bow as well. And then Mickey is looking dashing in grey. He's got a nice grey tie on, in his grey suit, with the blue detail on his legs, and behind, he's stood like a proper gent, with his hand behind his back there. And look at how they're looking at each other. They're so sweet. Yeah, so this one is called Two Souls, One Heart, and I really love this one. I really love all of them, obviously. They live, I'll show you where they live in just a moment. So they live on our shelf with some of our plushes, which are definitely overstuffed, but when we walk up the stairs, it's right at the top of the stairs, so I really like to be able to see it when we walk up here, and it just gives us that little Disney hit. So yeah, I'll show you that. If you want to see all of our Disney plushes, let us know, we can certainly do that. But yeah, let us know which one of our gym shows is your favourite down in the comments below, and if you think there's one that we absolutely must get, or which collection you've got, like if you collect, say, Ariel, or I think that's what I would do. If I could pick like just one character, well, I'm going to pick two immediately, but it would be Goofy and Ariel that I would collect, and then maybe some of the villains. Also, if they did Prince Eric, I would get that, you know, and kind of move through some of the princesses. Maybe that's what we'll do next. We'll get Maui, maybe, I don't know. Maybe I need to make a wish list. I'm going to make a wish list on Amazon, and then when they turn up, I can purchase them when they're a reasonable price. But yeah, let us know your favourites down in the comments, and if you have a gym show collection, let us know your favourite piece from your collection. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!